Since we change in this situation of the pandemic, now we are working via Zoom. So I use my lectures with Explain Everything. So I can use it immediately as a presentation tool, but as well as a board. So on top of my presentation, I'm able to draw special regions for my student, create special explanations as well about the neuroscience topic like brain disorders, brain lesions.
Este giro del homúnculo motor.
There's something very important for us as a speech neurotherapist is to understand how language is processed in the brain and how this might change after a lesion. So it's very important that they can recognize some brain areas which are responsible for language processing. So on my lecture of neuroscience, they can learn this interaction of which brain region is responsible for that language processing, and also how we can understand that thanks to functional MRI, which is a special technique in which we can map language areas. So what do? I teach them where is, for example, these specific brain areas, which are the subdivision, which are the functions of those brain areas. And then I can relate that to language disorders as aphasic patients, patient with a stroke, aphasic patients due to a neurodegenerative disorder as dementia, or as well patients who have language disorder due to a brain tumor. So we explore all these lesions, all these interactions with these brain regions.